Hey guys, what's up? In this tutorial we're going to show you how you can add and create a 3D pyramid or a graph or shape and add it to your presentations on PowerPoint in 2026. So let us get started. So as you can see, I added this example pyramid to the main or first slide of the presentation. Let me show you how I did it. So navigate to your slide and your presentation and click into Insert in the top left. And from the illustrations section, select 3D models. And after that, from that library here on PowerPoint, look for pyramids. So type in the search pyramid, click into it and select one of these pyramids here. So you can go, for example, I will go with that standard blue pyramid here. Click into Insert, wait for it to be added to your presentation, and there you go. So now you can customize it and edit it. For example, you may rotate it, you may resize it, you may rotate it that way. Since this is a 3D shape, you can rotate it like that using that handle here in the middle. And then you may use one of these 3D model view presets here. You may reset your 3D model. You may choose another one by selecting 3D models here. You may, for example, pan and zoom and change the 3D model's height and weight, under size, and so on and so forth, guys. So that's how you add a 3D pyramid to your presentations on PowerPoint. Thanks for watching and have a fantastic day.